Team, we have the new Ninja Foodi Pro XL Grill and Griddle. And you know what you do when you get a new griddle? You make Smashburgers, so that's what we're doing. Coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my kitchen. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell right next to that button, and become part of CJ's crew. All right, like I said in the beginning, we are going to be making some smash burgers on the new Ninja Foodi Grill and Griddle. Guys, this is gonna be amazing. I've done this already when I was doing some testing on this Foodi Grill, and I'm just loving the griddle feature on this. So we're gonna do a few more recipes with that griddle. You know, we'll switch it up, we'll get that grill in there. But having the bottom, the heat coming from the bottom is just, it's just a game changer for me on this one. The one thing that keeps sticking in my head about this new griddle and grill is the cooking with the top open and the less cleaning you're gonna have to do on the inside of that the lid. That's a big gripe of mine, and I know a lot of you Ninja Foodi Grill owners out there. Cleaning the inside of that lid is a royal pain in the, you know. This is going to allow us to do a lot of top up, a lot of lid up cooking, if you will, and I'm just loving it. Today, Smashburgers going on. We're using some onions. We're gonna griddle up some onions in some olive oil, a little salt and pepper. We got 2 little 3-ounce balls of meat that we're gonna smash on there. Got some American cheese. Don't sleep on the American cheese, and don't come at me in the comments. American cheese on your smash burgers is amazing. I don't care if you don't think it's cheese, or if it's not cheese, or it might be cheese, or it's some kind of plastic. It's delicious on your smash burgers. Man, I'll tell you what. Anyway. All right, so we got the grilled onions going with the cheeseburgers. It's gonna be amazing. For the grocery list, you guys are gonna need a little 80-20 ground beef, some hamburger buns, a little cheese of your choice. It better be American, but you know, some onions, and a little olive oil. Okay, so it's a really simple grocery list. Okay, a little salt and pepper. I'm gonna use a little seasoning. I got a little It's Incredible from Heaven Made Products. Guys, I'll put a link down below. Mr. Petrie from Heaven Made Products sent me a link, sent me a coupon code for you guys, get you 20% off. I don't get any kickbacks on this one. I'm just helping out a friend, small business. You know I like to do it, so check it out. It's Incredible seasoning is really incredible. It's very, very tasty. All right, let's go ahead and get to the Ninja Foodi Griddle station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do, we got about half an onion here. We're gonna slice it up nice thin as you can get it with your knife. We're gonna make these as thin as they can be, and we're gonna get them on the griddle first, get them sauteed down, and then we'll get the burgers on. Team, we're on the Ninja Foodi Griddle station. We're gonna turn it on. We're going to turn our knob to the barbecue griddle. All right, from now on, it's just griddle. I don't know if I can cover up that barbecue. It's just a griddle. You don't barbecue on griddles. It's just so annoying, and I don't know how I'm gonna be able to let that go. Anyway, 400 degrees, 30 minutes, works for me. Hit start. I do that every time. Shut the lid, it's gonna preheat. We'll come back, start griddling the onions, and get going. All right, team, we're preheated. We're gonna get a little olive oil down on the griddle. And we'll get these onions in there. Gonna add a little crushed cracked black pepper in there, and a little pinch of kosher salt, just to help draw out some of that moisture, work on that flavor. All right, team, the onions are done. We're going to do this Oklahoma style. Okay, that's where we put the meat on top of the onions. We give it a little bit of It's Incredible seasoning on top. Let it go for a couple seconds, and we're gonna give it a smash. And if anybody knows me, we're using a spatula, and we're using whatever seasoning, and this is incredible, but I use that as leverage to smash the burgers. So let's go with the first one right here. Now, always forget to do this. Get yourself some parchment paper so it doesn't stick. There we go. Peel that off. Looking good. Give us a little extra smash over here. Give it a little bit more seasoning. All right, so we're cooking these until you see the gray come up on the edges. Have a nice, you see it's coming through the crevices right there. All right, so just another couple seconds and we'll give them a flip. All right, let's give them a flip. The onions going. Good looking burgers right there. Great sear on them, looking great. Look at that flavor. Let's get some cheese on them. It's gonna take no time at all. Second slice on. Help it melt a little bit. We're gonna shut the lid for like 10 seconds. Let it get a little air from the top. Melt it down. All right, good enough. We are melted. Looking dang good. Let's get a bun on there. What do you say? You guys want to toast your buns, you can, but I am just going old school, straight onto the bun. You guys want to add those icky condiments, knock yourself out. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I'm even using the fine china. Guys, you can't beat a good Smashburger. I don't know what to tell you, but this is money in the bank right here. I'm gonna try a big old bite. You can see it. Guys, I'm telling you, what's not to love? Meat, cheese, onions, griddle, got it, baby. So good. I hope you guys dig this one too. In the comments below, tell me what you like on your Smashburgers. The only thing I was thinking was maybe a little bacon next time. Bacon's good on a griddle too, you know what I'm saying? If you guys want to go ahead and get yourself one of these new Ninja Foodi Pro Grill and Griddles, XL version. I mean, there's no other version, it's XL. Hit the link down below. It's an affiliate link, goes to Ninja Kitchen. Doesn't cost you anything more, but it helps out the channel. If you guys want to get one of the knives, cutting boards, merch, any of that stuff, camera, lighting, any of that stuff, I have it all listed below. Hit show more underneath the video. It's the video description, and there's Amazon links for everything. If you want to become part of CJ's crew here for real on YouTube, hit that join button right next to that subscribe button that you should have already hit by now. Get your name at the end of the video, forever immortalized here on Cooking with CJ. All right, and it's another way to help out the channel. Okay, listen, I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thank y'all for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.